What you doing, Nurse?
My socks on myself.
Putting socks on by yourself?
Yeah.
What are those?
Mickey Mouse socks.
Mini socks?
Yeah.
Whoa, Minnie Mouse.
Yeah, these are my other ones.
What else you got? You got a lot of them.
Yeah, a lot of my socks.
Your sockies? Let's see what you got.
My socks. I'm all by myself.
You put them on all by yourself?
Let me get you one. Different colors. Two green ones. Yellow ones on. I can't see.
Can you see? Oh, with this? Oh, you just want to see your sockies? There they are. Go try them on. Let's see if they fit you. Since you're doing it all by yourself.
Purple.
Let's see you do one all by yourself. Purple?
Purple.
Oh boy. You got the other purple? What is it? A little sticker or something? Is that one giving you some problems? Got to get all the toes in it.
Here's the problem with trying to take my Mickey
Hmm.
Can you take a picture of those?
Take a picture of your socks. Click.
Can I see?
Yeah, you'll see it in a minute.
My socks behind.
What's Anna got? Now she's got Mickey Mouse? Yeah, it's okay.
Okay.
What other ones do we got? Frogs and kitties? Oh boy.
Yeah, and I got gray.
I'll keep that. Thank you.
Got gray handles on it.
But you got all the papers and stickers? Let's see. Thank you. Can you give me the other one right there?
I'm going to try my puppy one time.
Puppy one's on?
Yeah. I got little strings. I got little string in them.
Don't know.
It does have strings in them, but fine.
What are you guys watching?
Gaga.
What is that?
Did you take a picture of the TV?
Took a picture of the TV. Oh, okay. Click.
Can I see the TV?
Just turn around and look at it.
TV. Ooh, the TV.
No, that's Anna's sockies.
Let's see my socks.
There's your socks over there.
I see a picture of me.
You have to wait because you can't look at it and take a picture at the same time. It doesn't work that way. What are those?
My socks.
Are those owls?
Yeah, the owls.
You like owls?
I do too. I like owls too. Got all the sockies I was wearing. Yeah.
See?
Oh, my son.
Yeah, see? Okay.
Let me try that.
Can I have those stickies? Sure got a lot of them. Hold on, I'll help you. Here, let me see. Try your panda ones on?
Yeah.
Okay. This sure is a video filled with socks. Hey, Colby. What are you doing?
Can I see me?
Can you see you? You have to wait for a minute so that we can actually watch the video. Then you can see you.
I watch the video on TV.
Watch it on TV?
Yep.
Okay, I have to upload it first. Look at panda socks.
Panda socks.
Whoa, panda socks. Oh, hold on, you got a sticky on them. There we go. Good ones.
Okay, let's try my both socks. I have problems because I can't take them on them. Because I can't take them on them. Because I can't take them off by myself.
Can't take them off by yourself? You took them off by yourself.
Yeah, I took them off. But sometimes I can't take a picture of my TikTok.
Click.
Can I take a picture of my... They're butterfly socks.
They're butterflies?
Yep.
Wow.
But I'm putting my other one on.
Here, can you go throw these in the garbage, Colbert? Okay, got it?
Butterfly socks.
Let's see. Wow. Those are some good ones. You did it all by yourself?
Yippee.
That's big girl stuff.
Yeah, big one. Yeah. Okay, let me try my... Let's try these. Let's try these socks.
That's Daisy Duck.
That's Daisy Duck.
Yeah, let me see. I'll take that out. That's the little string you were talking about. That's a little plastic. It keeps all of them together in the store so they stay together. What are you eating? No, ma'am. Ah.
I see the
There you go.
butterfly, Dina.
Here, give me that plastic you just had. Right there. Okay. Now let me see your hand. Come here. Here. Now you... Let me see your hand.
No.
Here, you put these in the garbage. You put all those in the garbage. 3 of them. Thank you.
See that ducky?
Ducky.
See that ducky? 2 duckies.
Yeah, that's good ones.
Ducky.
Duck socks. Hey, can you guys tell Grandma bye-bye?
Bye-bye. Bye, Grandma.
Say a good one. No, you got to get in front of me so you can say it to the camera.
Bye-bye, Grandma.
Right there. You tell Grandma bye-bye?
Bye, Chloe.
Okay, you go over there where Chloe is.
I can't see you.
There you go. Bye.
Bye. You see me.
Yes, you can. Bye.
Bye. Bye.